Are you tired of feeling like you're always one step behind in your niche? I'm literally building an army of AI agents to crush my competition, and it's incredibly powerful. I'm using a custom AI apps that help me with boring tasks, saving me hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars every month. And no, it's not ChatGPT or custom GPTs. This amazing solution allows you to create AI agents that can work non-stop without even breaks or complaints. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your own AI army so you can speed up your work and leave your competition behind. But first, let's explore a critical concept that 99% of business owners are overlooking. In the business world, time is money. But have you ever thought about how much it costs when you don't use AI to help? It's not just about saving time, it's about growing your business bigger and faster. Think about this. How many hours do you spend doing the same things over and over each week? Things like answering emails, researching information, writing reports for clients, cold outreach, creating content for social media. It adds up fast. Here's the shocking insights. According to Harvard Business Review, up to 45% of tasks in many professions can be automated with current technology. This finding is based on analysis of over 2,000 activities performed across various jobs in the US economy. And the bad news that this report is from 2015. Things have changed a lot since then. I found newer information too, and similar. 50% of work time is spent on repetitive tasks. So for example, at $100 per hour, you're looking up to $2,000 per week or over 100K per year spent on tasks that often aren't directly growing your business. But this is also not about money. It's about missing opportunities to take on new clients, network and attract bigger fish, come up with new ideas to make your business better, expand your market. So think about it. How much is your business missing out on because you are stuck doing these boring tasks? The answer might shock you, but here's the exciting part. You can 10x your productivity without burning out. Let me show you how. Imagine redirecting all the time and energy into activities that actually grow your business. Here's what becomes possible. Instead of working in your business, you start working on your business. Develop new products or services that clients desire. Build partnerships that bring new clients. Boost your brand to stand out in the market. Actually, have time to train your team. Manage your clients without feeling overwhelmed by work. It's like having a clone of yourself but better, because potentially can work when you sleep. Deliver faster, more consistent and high quality work. Happy clients means more referrals and less stress for you. While others are stuck in the past, you leveraging AI technology is like bringing a spaceship to a horse race. Remember that thing called free time? Yeah, you can have that again. Of course, the initial effort is required. You need to build the system and create AI agents, but this isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. When you do repetitive tasks quickly, your brain can focus on more important things that make a difference. What could you achieve if you had extra 20 hours a week? So, which AI tools should you actually use? I've created your free AI toolkit list that I will keep updating. The link is below. You will see there that different tasks require different AI models. It's like choosing the right tool for each job. The good news is that you don't need to subscribe every AI company out there. In this video, I will show you a solution, pay as you go, for best AI models. So most people are using AI wrong. Wasting time chatting or using unoptimized prompts. Trash in, trash out. Many people underestimate how well AI can help right now if it's done right. But even having a prompt library isn't a perfect solution because it's like copy-pasting job. The key is to create many custom AI agents, each designed for specific repetitive tasks. And if the task is more challenging, for example, scripting of YouTube long-form video, you should divide it into small subtasks. Each subtask should have its own instruction or prompt engineering and be handled differently using various tools such as web search or other integrations. In this way, way, you will have AI assistant that speaks your brand's language, understands your unique processes, and deliver consistent high-quality outputs, of course at lightning speed. That's the power of custom AI tool. For example, we have developed a custom AI assistant with Google Gemini that can analyze client website and craft cold emails. You simply input a URL and it scrapes website information, analyzes it, writes compelling copy, and even saves it as a draft. All you need to do is review and hit send. It's that simple. But let's start with something easier. Let me show you the next example. I built whole organic content creation infrastructure, and I'll show you one piece that helped create YouTube script for this video. To create high-quality organic content, we break tasks into smaller pieces. We don't ask AI to write the entire video script. Instead, we first go through several steps like research, then a few steps in the ideation process, and this is one of those steps. The goal here is to frame, position the video to make it interesting for my targeted audience. The AI is connected behind. Prompts are very detailed for my specific YouTube channel, but you only need to input your broad video idea. Choose your preferred AI model, type your concept, and voila! The results are saved in Google Docs, ready for easy editing. Then you review this output, you can modify and go to the next step using this output. And the best part? You teach your AI agent once and it does the job for you forever. That's loyalty. But how exactly can you build something like that and implement this AI assistant to your own business? And how much will it cost? Okay, let's keep it simple and powerful. Let's say we want to build a simple AI agent without specific task this time, but we want to have access to best paid AI models without limits. So the final product should look like this. We have the form, we choose which model to use, and we provide the task, and the AI output appear below. Here is what we will be using. Google Forms. This is our front-end interface for input information. It's totally free. Of course, you can use any form builder that you can embed on the website and that sends webhook after submission. Next up, Notion app. We are going to use this to create private website, embed our form and store and organize all AI outputs. We've got a free plan that's worked just fine for us. Notion app is the best. I don't like Airtable. Next, Make.com. Now this is our secret sauce for connecting everything together. There is a free tier available, which gives us 2 active automation and 1K operations. In our case, for each automation run, we will use 3 or 4 operations. So in the free plan, you can use the AI assistant about 333 times per month. Not a ton, but hey, it might be enough for start. Personally, I recommend upgrading to the core plan. It 10x that limit. Sure, you can use Zapier or Publi as our alternatives, but to be honest, I didn't find them to be as price attractive. Plus, once you learn how to use Mac, you can do some serious amazing advanced stuff. It's like leveraging up your AI game and your business. And the last, we need AI models like ChatGPT, cloud models, Google Gemini, you name it. We'll be using per use by connecting to their APIs, so no usage limits to worry about. The best part, it usually costs less than a penny per run. It's basically no cost. Alright, and now let's move and see how it all works on the backend. But for people who want to fast track this process, I've prepared a template that you can easily import. So let's back to see how this all works. We head over to Make.com and create a new scenario with webhook. And no, we won't use watch for new responses model because it's not instant. It doesn't work how we want. We need a custom webhook. We copy this link. So this webhook will be triggered by this Google form I prepared before. We need to connect webhook link. We just copy it to this form. We can do it in 2 ways. First is by using the original Make.com add-on that you can find here. Unfortunately, sometimes I get errors with it. So I started to use the second option, script editor, app script, where you write on custom script. Of course, I can do that to send the data from this form to trigger Make.com scenario. Now we can copy the shareable form link, embed it in a Notion page. And we also need to create database for our AI output. Now let's connect all things in the make.com scenario automation. We add a router here, which is in this case works like a filter, because as we said in the Google form, we first choose which AI company and which AI model we want to use. So we need to set up filters here. For example, if we choose to try Google's Gemini this time, the data will go to Gemini model only, and inside this AI model you need to add your own API connection and a simple prompt message. A small downside, AI Notion has a strange character limit, so we need to create a new router to filter it. If the output from AI has more than 2k characters, we need to create that Google Docs with this AI output and send the Google Doc link to the Notion database. And it looks like this. Or if the output is shorter than 2k characters, we can directly send this to the Notion database, and after that it will look like this. If you want to use ChatGPT, it works the same. The data go only to this model and it creates Google Docs if needed. The same story applies to other AI firms. You can integrate various models using a similar approach. One more thing. It doesn't have memory, so it's not a chat-like experience you might be used to, for example in ChatGPT web version. That means that each interaction is independent and the AI doesn't remember previous conversations. Every time you ask a question, it's like starting a brand new conversation. The AI doesn't remember what you said before, so you can build on previous questions on answers. Each time you use it, you're starting fresh. However, don't worry, in the future I'll be showing in this channel how to add memory for chat-like features, but here's the thing. Form-based setup can actually be better for getting stuff done. Why? Well, you can create the different AI agents for different jobs. It's like having a team of specialists instead of one generalist. This way you can use step-by-step approach, breaking down complex process into manageable chunks. For advanced users out there, you can take this to the next level. You can chain different AI models one after another, creating what we call prompt chains. This is where things get really interesting. You can have one AI's output become input for another, creating multi-step process. Remember, the goal here isn't just to use AI for sake of using AI. It's about finding these repetitive, time-consuming tasks that are eating up your day and letting the small little agents handle them for you. This frees you up to focus on the big picture stuff, the things that really moves the needle in your business. Now keep in mind that what we've built today is just the tip of the iceberg. It's the simplest version to get you started, but there is so much more you can do it with this technology. I created another video where I dive deeper into strategy and show you how to use AI agents for creating effortless content on social media. Make sure to check out this video.